So today I want us to look at the neurons. Three neurons that we have: the sensory neuron, the interneuron, as well as the motor neuron, especially the structures, because in life sciences they might give you a structure of a neuron, what type of neuron is it? If you do not understand the structures, you're not going to be able to answer that question. And in some cases, they might give you a 5 marks question, but to draw maybe a structure of a motor neuron. If you're not able to understand, or rather, if you do not know the structure of motor neuron, you're not going to be able to. Okay, before we look at the structures, there's one thing I need you guys to understand. Ukuthi these neurons are sebenza kanjani. Let's say you've got your hand right here, right? Let's say you've got your hand, this is your hand, right? Then here is a candle, right? Yeah, she's obviously. Then you're gonna have a path here. Then here you've got your spinal cord, right? You've got your spinal cord. Then another path. Then here you've got your muscles, right? You've got your muscles. So if isandla sakho you usibeka in a candle every time, right? Kumele kwenzakaleni? The impulses should move through what? They should move through a sensory neuron. So siqala nge-sensory neuron because a sensory neuron, it have to sense something, it have to detect a change in the environment. So here we're gonna have what? We're gonna have our sensory neuron, right? Neuron. So we have what sensory neuron is number one. So we have our number one right here. Soon after that, sensory neuron mayifika kwi-spinal cord izohlangana nayiphi neuron? Izohlangana ne-neuron that is called interneuron. Interneuron is basically found between the sensory neuron and the motor neuron, meaning that on the spinal cord we would have what? We would have the interneuron. You see, the interneuron is number two. It means my impulses will move from the hand and go straight into the spinal cord for interpretation. Then after that, millions of them, made those impulses are muscles, so that some muscles are able to contract versus sources. And that's what happen as we have the motor neuron, of which is our number three, right? So we've got our interneuron as our number two, we've got our our motor as our number three, meaning that impulses will move all the way from the sensory neuron into the spinal cord, ahlangane the interneuron, right? Then from the interneuron, we go straight to it. We go straight into what? Into the motor neuron. The reason because this process of which is a reflex action before because the neurons, and because this analogy that I'm about to interpret works perfectly if you understand the reflex action. So okay, then now I want us to look at these three structures that we have right here and provide labels for each. So if you were to draw, maybe if they were to tell you to draw a structure of maybe a particular neuron, this is what you have to draw, and make sure that you provide a heading or a title of which could be sensory neuron, interneuron, or motor neuron, as well as the labels. So here we have what? We have our dendrite right here. We have our dendrites, right? This is the dendrite. This is the cell body. Then this is the axon terminal, and this is an axon. This is your axon. Same here. You've got your dendrite. You've got your cell body. You've got your axon. Then you've got your axon terminal. Then here you've got your dendrite. You've got your cell body, right? You've got your cell body. You've got your axon. Then you've got your axon terminal. So you can tell that all neurons, we have dendrites in the axon terminal on either sides, right? So we have our dendrite right here. We have the dendrites. We have the dendrites. We've got the axon terminal. We've got the axon terminal. We've got the axon terminal, right? Then we also have the axon, the axon, the axon. But if you look at the position of the cell body, the position of the cell body is not the same. Okay, so how do you know ukuthi okay, kwi-sensory neuron ngine-position i-cell body yami is situated right here, kwi-interneuron i-cell body yami is situated right here, or kwi-motor neuron i-cell body yami is situated where it's situated. So uma ngibheka mina i-sensory neuron U-sensory neuron ngimthatha njengama-biological parents, right? But lawo ma-biological parents adecide ukwenzani? Adecide ukuthi ayilahle ingane, right? And that is why we have u-cell body ela ngaphandle. So u-cell body it's like umntwana, right? So if ubheka u-sensory neuron, u-cell body akekho in the axon terminal or kuma-dendrites, but useceleni, right? So lapho sithi in the sensory neuron unama-biological parents, but lawo ma-biological parents adecide ukwenzani? Adecide ukuthi ayilahle ingane. Into yokuqala eyenzekile lapho. And that is why kwi-reflex action sine-neuron yokuqala as u-sensory neuron, right? Emva kwalokho okwesibili kuzokwenzakalani? Ama-social work of which is interneuron azokwenza njani? Azoyibona le ngane ilahliwe, right? Azombona u-cell body ilahliwe bese no le ngane sizoyithatha. And this is why u-cell body esekwi-axon. So i-axon is like ikhaya lesikhashana lase-body, right? So u-cell body usukile ekulahlweni bemenzani? Amthatha ama-social work and angithatha ama-social work. So that is our interneuron, right? Okusho ukuthini? Okusho ukuthi into esibili eyenzekile. But bese siya ku-motor neuron sekwenzakalani? Ku-motor neuron sekuzofika the adoptive parents of which is u-motor neuron. Azothi nama-adoptive parents azothi no, it's fine. Le ngane sizoyithatha thina from ama-social workers bese sizohlala naye. And that is why u-cell body usezokwenzani? U-cell body usezosuka from the axon terminal bese yongena between the dendrites. We've got a dendrite like right here. This is another dendrite, another dendrite, another dendrite, another dendrite. You see what at the end, sesino cell body between esaround ama-dendrites futhi u-cell body wethu usenze njani? Usewutholile ekhaya. So into yokuqala eyenzakalayo, we start off with u-cell body ela ngaphandle, and that is our sensory neuron muscle reflex action. So sensory neuron or transmit our impulses from the hand into the spinal cord. Ahlangane no-interneuron, right? So into esibili eyenzakalayo ukuthi ama-social work asezomthatha u-cell body azomfaka ama-axons. So ikhaya lesikhashana leli. Emva kwalokho u-interneuron usezohlangana no-motor neuron. U-motor neuron transmits ama-impulses from the spinal cord into the muscles. And lapho kusuke sekwenzakalani okwesithathu? I-event yethu yesithathu ukuthi abazali sebezom-adoptha u-cell body ahambe eyohlala nabo exactly between what? Exactly between the dendrites.